Today, I'll show you how to recover deleted email from Gmail. If you accidentally deleted an email in Gmail, the first thing to know is that deleted messages usually do not disappear right away. Google says that when you delete an email, it normally moves to the trash folder first. From there, you can recover it for up to 30 days. After 30 days, or after you permanently delete it from trash, Gmail says you usually can't recover it. To start, open Gmail on your phone or computer and go to the trash folder. On mobile, tap the menu icon and then open Trash. On desktop, look on the left side, click More if needed, and then open Trash. Once you find the deleted email, select it and choose the option to move it back to your inbox or another folder. Google's official help says messages in trash can be moved out and restored this way. Now, if you deleted the email very recently, this method is usually the fastest and easiest. Just remember that drafts are different. Google notes that if you delete a draft, you can't recover it from trash the same way. So this recovery method is mainly for sent or received emails that were moved to trash. If the email is no longer in trash, there is one more thing you can try. In some cases, Google offers a recovery form for messages that were deleted unexpectedly, such as possible unauthorized access or unusual account activity. But this does not guarantee success, and it is not the same as normal trash recovery. Community guidance on Google support pages repeatedly notes that emails permanently deleted from trash usually cannot be restored. So the key rule is simple. Check trash first, recover the email before 30 days pass, and avoid emptying trash unless you are sure you no longer need those messages. Once the email is permanently removed, recovery is usually no longer possible. And that's how to recover deleted email from Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.